The representative of an overseas business visa route is now closed for new applicants. However, applicants with permission as sole representatives already in the UK can apply for an extension of their visas. They're required to demonstrate that they have an existing visa as either a representative of an overseas business or an employee of an overseas newspaper, news agency, or broadcasting organization. In addition, they need to demonstrate that they meet the following conditions. They're still working for the same employer as when they were issued their visa. The employer's principal place of business is still outside the UK. As a sole representative, the applicant must also be supervising the branch or subsidiary that they've established for the overseas business. The applicants must be in the UK to extend their visas. In order to apply as a sole representative extension, the applicants will need to provide a full description of the UK business's activities, including accounts, copies of invoices or letters from UK organizations that they have worked with, a company's house certificate of registration of the UK establishment or for a branch, or a certificate of incorporation as a subsidiary. Evidence that the UK business is wholly owned by the overseas business. A letter from your employer confirming you're continuing to work in the same role and your salary details. If you're in the UK as an employee of an overseas newspaper, news agency, or a broadcasting organization, you'll also need to provide a letter from your employer confirming you're continuing to work in the same role along with your salary details. Applicants must apply online before the current visa expires, but no earlier than 28 days before the expiry of their current biometric residence permit. If you need help to apply for extending your sole representative visa, you can get in touch with us at our email info@conroybaker.com. We hope you found this information useful and would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Got any questions? Feel free to ask. And as always, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.